Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to connect your smartphone or iPhone to a 2013 Ford Taurus. This video applies to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. First, you make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on your Taurus. So to do that, go under the settings, click on the phone. Now there is the Bluetooth option, so make sure this is turned on. Next thing you want to do is make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your phone. So you can go under the settings, connections, and here is the Bluetooth. So make sure it's blue. Other way you can do it, you can just lower this menu down, and here is your Bluetooth icon, the third one. So also make sure it's blue. Okay, so to start connecting your smartphone to your car via the Bluetooth, first click on the Add Phone.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Okay, now the pin will be displayed on the screen. Now it might ask you for this pin when you find the sync under the Bluetooth menu on your phone. It might not. I'm not sure why it's like that, but it is. Now on your phone, click on the Bluetooth, and now under the available devices the sync will appear. Okay, so it's right here, so click on the sync. Now it's in pairing mode.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Okay, now the new pin will appear. You can double check it if it's the same. 218-822 on the phone, 218-822. If it's the same, you can press OK on your phone, and you can press yes on the screen. Now the pairing goes on.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated feature.
Okay, and once your smartphone is connected, it's gonna display here. So based on your phone's name, your name will be here. My phone name is Samsung S20. Now you will get a couple of questions on your phone. It's up to you if you want to allow sync access to your contacts and to your messages. If you do allow it, the sync will download all your messages and your complete phone book into its database, and that means you can use it on your car as well. One more thing I will mention while driving, the easiest way to use this Bluetooth, just press onto this button.
Please say a command.
And pretty much you can say any command, stuff like call Mike.
Sync is downloading your phone book. Please wait to use voice commands.
Okay, but this is just the example. You can pretty much use the voice commands to call anybody from your phone book. Other option is also you can use this keypad right here. If you go under the phone, press OK, and now you can access like a quick dial, see all calls, incoming calls, outgoing calls, missed calls, stuff like that. Just by pressing the OK on the name you want to call, you can make a phone call this way as well. So pretty much you don't have to use this screen here. Okay, and this is it. Very easy to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.